Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Kid Troy. This episode is the 100th episode of Cooking with Kid Troy. 10 seasons, 10 episodes per season, and not only that, but it's also the season finale. So to make this a little special, we're going to do a strawberry shortcake. So don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. Now let's get started. So first, I'm gonna make a simple syrup. Half cup of water. Oh. Make sure to heat it first.
No, you did right. Put the liquid in first. That way you don't scorch the pan.
Oh. I'm gonna do medium low.
Okay.
Then half cup of sugar, 1:1 ratio.
There you go, 1:1 ratio.
Let me stir it up a little. So now I'm gonna add vanilla extract and almond extract. So this is about half teaspoon.
I think it's about 3/4 teaspoon.
Yeah.
Of vanilla. It doesn't matter. I mean, you don't have to measure it. I just add a little flavor into the water and the sugar.
Half teaspoon of almond extract. Oh, I was getting full.
Almond extract is delicious, man. It's wonderful.
It got foggy quick.
Yep. So let that sugar dissolve completely. Look how it's simmering. Let that simmer for approximately 10, 12 minutes. All right, let's go prep our strawberries and our cake.
All right. So my dad's gonna prep the strawberries.
Just gonna slice up these strawberries. You cut off the little green part, toss it to the side. Take the strawberries, slice them into probably 1/2-inch pieces in thickness. Blade slip. What we're gonna do is we're gonna macerate these berries, and macerate just means to soak them in water and sugar, or you can use some other type of libation, but this is a family-friendly show, so we can't do that here.
So now that the simple syrup is ready, I'm gonna soak the strawberries in the simple syrup. This is very hot.
That's good.
Even though I'm doing it, but get adult supervision.
Good job, buddy.
This is my first time pouring it.
Keep pouring. Good job. All right, pour all of it. All right, so we're gonna let that soak and sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. And we'll stir those around again. All right, now let's get our cake ready. Make sure all the strawberries are coated. That's why I stirred it around. So we're just gonna let that sit. All right, so let's preheat our pan to medium low. Get that hot.
And now my dad's gonna prep the cake.
All I'm gonna do is take a loaf of pound cake that you can find in any bakery and just cut the edges off. Get them as uniform as possible. Uh-oh.
Why do you want to cut the edge?
Just for the aesthetics of it. Aesthetics means the look. It's prettier. I like those tops. I don't know if I want to. I'm not going to keep those. All right. So now all I'm going to do is just slather these with butter. There's one.
Oh, so you're gonna grill all three?
Mm-hmm.
I thought you were gonna grill them together.
Nope. There's two.
Last but not least, 3.
Right. And we'll just put them butter side down. Get them nice and toasted, grilled, clean up our mess, and then we'll be ready to build our strawberry shortcake.
Yay!
All right, there's your 3 slices of cake. That came out pretty good. Now let's build our strawberry shortcake.
So now my dad's gonna build the strawberry shortcake.
So you set your base right here, and you take a little bit. Now, what I've done is I've drained the simple syrup off of the strawberries, and as it gets colder, it's gonna get thicker. And we're just gonna drizzle strawberry simple syrup, about 2 teaspoons of it, onto the cake, and let that soak in. When I tell you this is gonna change the dynamics of this cake, oh my goodness. Troy's already tasted it, he's in love. Let it soak in.
Taste what?
The simple syrup. Stack your strawberries up right here on the first layer. Uh-oh. And if it falls off, that's fine. You just want to build a tower of strawberries. Take a little bit of the whipped cream. Put a dab on there.
I mean, if some falls off, you don't have to put it back on it. You can just use it out.
Yeah, press down a little bit, not a lot. Just press enough to where you can see the cream and the strawberries kind of coming together.
Do the same thing again.
Don't worry about the syrup falling off. About 2 teaspoons right into the cake. Oh my God, this looks so good. This looks so good. Take the strawberries, layer those bad boys on there. What you thinking so far, Troy?
It looks good. I mean,
Looks
we
good.
can decorate on the sides, if you know what I mean. Like, if it falls off, don't worry. Just decorate on the sides.
Put a little bit of whipped topping on there.
Nope.
He's trying to get away. Take
Like-
your last one, stack it right on top, press down.
He's still trying to get away.
That's fine, we'll let them rock. And just let that cake soak up that simple syrup. When I tell you this simple syrup is so delicious, it's gonna change your life. You won't look at dessert the same way. I'm gonna cheat a little bit. And this is our 100th episode, guys. So for our regular show, the seasons, 100 episodes of Cooking with Kid Troy. It's been a long 100 episodes, but we're happy to bring them to you. We love being in the kitchen, bringing you guys these dishes.
And it's been a long 2 years.
Yeah, but we got even more in store, so just stay tuned. Y'all rock with us and we'll rock with you.
All right.
Oh yeah, look at that. And now, for the last one, this one, you can go crazy with the whipped topping. Put a whole bunch of it, right? And I'm gonna show you why. Because now, what you're gonna do is mound that up real high. You're not gonna press that down. You're gonna cover the majority of the strawberries. And then I have a strawberry here that I have fanned. You see that? It's called a fanned strawberry. It's just the way you cut it. So I sliced it, fanned the strawberry, and stick that bad boy right there. And there is your strawberry shortcake.
So here's our strawberry shortcake. That was great, Dad. I hope you enjoyed this 100th episode and the season finale. If you did, leave a comment below, share this video, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye! I've never eaten a strawberry shortcake before, so I'm gonna dig in and see what it tastes like.
You gotta eat the cake too. Dig into it, buddy. Eat the cake, Anime.
Really?
You gotta try a piece of that cake. It's got the simple syrup in it. You doing a happy dance? All right, you dig away from that bottom, that whole thing gonna fall. Man, you need to save Daddy some of that. I'm gonna eat some of that. Let me put this camera down. All right, tell the fans what it says. Like, you about to spill it. The whole thing about to fall. You just dug into it. Oh, I gotta come save you. Let me come save you. I'm gonna cut this off. All right, tell your fans bye.
Bye. See you in the next season.
All right, later. Hey fans, I'm Chef TD.
And I'm Kid Troy.
And we just want to thank all of our fans and supporters over the last 100 episodes of Cooking with Kid Troy. Man, I tell you, these 10 seasons have been amazing. We've enjoyed the last 2 years being in the kitchen, bringing you guys wonderful gourmet dishes. So I'm just humbly happy and thankful that we had fans to rock out with us. And I'm thoroughly pleased that I was able to bring you guys these wonderful dishes. Anything you want to say to the fans, Troy?
We have a book coming out, and it's called Gourmet Meals with Grade School Skills by Kid Troy.
Oh yeah, it's a pretty dope book too. Mostly all of the recipes that are in the book, except one, are found on Cooking with Kid Troy, the channel. So it's only one recipe that's in there.
What recipe?
So it's the one that Troy can't do. Is peanut butter cookies, because Troy can't stand peanut butter. It actually makes him sick. So he's not allergic to it. He just can't stand peanut butter. So I put peanut butter cookies in there because it is one of my most famous and popular dishes. So people who've had it will tell you it's definitely a keeper. So, but we weren't able to do it for the show. So that's the only recipe that's in the book that you won't find on Cooking with Kid Troy. But we've got a lot of the projects coming out. We've got some guest appearances coming up. We've got the book coming out, as he said, Gourmet Meals with Grade School Skills. So right now we're just gonna take a break from the show, but stay tuned. You know, we'll probably come with a season 11. What you think, Troy?
Maybe season 11 or 12.
Yeah, maybe. We don't know. So we'll see. But just keep enjoying the 100 episodes and the safety tips and the special editions. There's plenty of content on here to watch, and we may be back for some, maybe a Christmas edition or two. All right. So without further ado, I hope you guys enjoy. Bye for now. Bye. Hey, where you going? This guy just left me, man. He walked off the set.
Because we're gonna quit from you.
All right, fine. Okay, well, I'll just go and make some cookies or something. I don't know.